Ayan guys, good afternoon, good evening, and magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ayan, mag-unbox tayo nitong aking IPX Bone Conduction Bluetooth headset. So, waterproof ito guys. Ayan, waterproof, tapos built in 32 GB of memory. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, napakaganda. Worth 228 Hong Kong dollars lang naman siya. It's not so expensive to compare other items. So, umpisa na natin na i-unbox yung aking Bluetooth headset. So guys, kung nakikita nyo, is so big difference because I'm here in my house in Philippines. So I bring this one to unbox this because I don't have time to unbox in Hong Kong, so I bring it here to use it. So this is it guys. Did you see? So makikita natin. Ayan. Tapos ayan ang picture. Ayan. Meron dito mga function. Makikita mo. Ayan. So, i-open na natin. Ano kaya ito? Paano kaya pag-open? Ganito lang pala siya. Yung box niya. So, bali ito yung handle. So, i-open na natin. Parang ayaw ma-open. Ayan, ma-open. Wow! So beautiful. Ganito siya guys. Very nice. Tapos, tingnan natin sa loob. Tingnan natin sa loob. Ayan, tingnan natin sa loob. So, ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, ito siya. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda oh. Tapos tingnan natin yung kanyang description. I'm sure have description here. Here is the charging point. Ayan. Parang dito lang siya i-search. So, ito yung complete niya. Unlike this only when you charge. Ito siya. May English siya at saka Chinese. At ito yung English. Hello. Ayan. Ito yung accessories list niya. Tapos, nandito yung charging point. So, ito, yung charging sa USB. Tapos, dito mo siya i-touch ganyan. Ayan. Parang ganyan lang siya. I-touch mo dyan pag nag-charge ka. Tapos, kukuha tayo ng power bank. Ayan. I-charge muna natin siya bago natin. So, ayan. Nag-charge na siya, guys. So, makikita mo siya is red. Pag full charge na siya, makikita natin yan dito sa description is introduction. Ayan. Number 1, how to use it. Turn in off, power on, long press. So, they said here, no, this model will automatically connect to previous connected device when turned on. If you need to connect other device, please disconnect the previous device and repeat above connection instruction in the new device. 2. If not connect within 5 minutes, pairing mode, it will automatically shut down. Wow, this is very nice. How to use? So this is it, guys. Power on lock for 3 seconds. Hang on phone, sure touch the power button. Call rejection, double click the power button. Music playback, sure press the power button. Twice sure press function key. So this is it, blah 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 blah. So this is it, guys. My new toy collection for my Bluetooth. So this is it. So just put it here, and then we charge that. Until full charge, and then I use it. So this is it, guys. It's charging now. You look at that. It's very very nice. I'm going to unplug, and then I show you how to use it. I'll show you guys how to use it. See like that. So ayan, guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano pag gamit nito. Very easy lang siya. Ilalagay lang dito kasi ito yung pinaka speaker niya. So tamang-tama lang, fit lang sa inyo. Tapos ganyan. Tapos ayan, nandito na yung timer mo. Tapos sa kabila naman na dito. So ayan, guys, kung gagamitin nyo, very comfortable. So nandito siya, yung speaker, ayan. Tapos nandito naman yung kabila. So fit lang siya, fit lang. Hindi masyadong ano sa likod. Tama lang siya. Ayan. Nakikita niyo yung connection dito sa tainga papunta sa kabilang tainga. Kung nakikita niyo yung connection dito sa kabilang tainga, ayan, guys. Ayan. Napakaganda. Kaya, bili na kayo nito. Very convenient to use. So, i-charge ko muna tapos i-connect ko mamaya. Ayan guys. Isang tip ko para bumili na rin kayo ng inyong gadget. Ay, hindi gadget. Bluetooth. Bluetooth headset. Ayan. Sa murang halaga lang. So, that's all guys.